Today we'll look at how robotic process automation can increase employee productivity and remove time and cost from business processes. We'll use an account opening example to see how robotic process automation, or RPA, reduces manual processing time, eliminates copy and paste errors, and improves customer service. The process starts when a call center rep offers a new line of credit account to an existing customer. The rep uses IBM Business Process Manager, or BPM, to document the customer's request, including specific details about the property being used for collateral. All other customer information will be pulled from existing systems when a sales assistant creates the account. When the call center rep submits the request, BPM automatically launches an automated decision service in IBM Operational Decision Manager, or ODM, that determines the allowable amount of credit. Since the credit decision completes in real time, a task is immediately generated for a sales assistant to manually create the new account. It takes a sales assistant about 20 minutes to open this new account, but due to a 3-business-day backlog, the account can't be opened until next week. It will therefore be several days before we send the customer documents to sign. The following week, a sales assistant opens the task and sees the information entered by the call center rep. She also sees the credit limit and a credit limit confirmation ID that was assigned by ODM. The sales assistant's task is to now use this information, along with information from 2 other applications, to open a new account in the line of credit account system. The assistant starts by logging in to the Customer Information Master System. She then copies the customer number from BPM into the master system in order to retrieve master customer details. She then logs into the line of credit account system in which she will open the new account. She returns to the customer master system and one by one copies and pastes all 9 values into the account opening system. She then goes to the BPM system and again one by one copies 10 values into 11 fields in the line of credit system, since one of the values must be pasted into 2 separate fields. She then logs into a government website to obtain the official tax value of the property being used as collateral. She copies the property information from the BPM system to the valuation website and retrieves the tax valuation and assessment date. She copies these 2 values into the line of credit account system and is finally ready to click Create Account. This causes the system to open a new account and generate an account number, which she pastes into BPM. That completes this human task and causes the BPM system to move to the next step in the process, which is to prepare the documents and send them to the customer for approval. The sales assistant is now ready to move on to her next task, after taking a quick break to grab a cup of coffee. That manual task, which took 20 minutes to perform, required logging into and navigating 4 applications and copying and pasting 36 fields. Now let's replay the exact sequence of events using robotic process automation. RPA is able to record all the actions performed by the sales assistant and then play back the actions on command. This includes logging into applications, navigating to specific screens, controlling applications using the mouse or keyboard, and copying and pasting values between applications. Let's watch as IBM RPA completes this account opening task less than 45 seconds after the call center rep clicks the Submit button. Using RPA, we were ready to send documents to the customer 45 seconds after the call center rep finished speaking with them, which is a much more efficient and effective outcome than having to wait 3 business days for a sales assistant to spend 20 minutes performing this repetitive and error-prone task. The benefits of using RPA in this example are pretty clear. First, we were able to respond to the customer in 45 seconds versus 5 calendar days. Second, we eliminated the copy and paste errors that often occur in as many as 10% of manually copied customer records. And third, we can free up our people from this type of mundane and repetitive work so they can focus on the things that humans do best, things like providing personal empathy to customers or using creativity to solve problems or find new business opportunities. IBM Robotic Process Automation, along with business process management and operational decision management, can help increase employee productivity and improve customer service. And who knows, maybe now your employees will visit the coffee machine to boost their creativity instead of just to stay awake. Give us a call or come see us online so we can help you take advantage of robotics in your business automation.